Sorry about the delay in getting this over to you. I'm still getting caught up with all the video recaps to do for everybody throughout the week. I got back a little bit later than I originally planned on Tuesday night, but getting there. So here we go, 60 beats a minute with number 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and 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 done. 120. After a quick adjustment here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, Number 2. $60. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 2, 3, 4, and 2, 3, 4, and 2, 3. What a strange thing that just now happened. I'm gonna try that again. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 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 done. 120. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 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 done. And the fun one, number 3. So let's go over the steps we discussed. So first thing to do, be able to just count it with the click before applying the chords. And I had you do that 2 bars at a time. So be able to count along with that just fine, or count along with the metronome just fine with these 2 bars before going on to bars 2 and 3. Get that down, then you do bars 3 and 4, and then you work on bars 4 to 1. And then once you were able to comfortably count that, I had you go through everything without the repeat. And then once you could do that without the repeat, then you count the whole thing just like you'll be playing it. And then another step to take is working 2 bars at a time again, but this time applying the chords. And I would play, my recommendation is to get 3 solid takes in a row before moving on to working on the next set of bars, and then the next set, and of course bars 4 into 1 because of the repeat. So once you can do all that, then work on getting the whole thing down without the repeat. Once you can do that, then you start adding in the repeat, do the whole thing. So here we go at 60 beats a minute. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, and 4. 1, and 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, and 4. 1, 1 and 3, 4, 1, 2, 3 and 2, 3, 4 and done. 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2 and 4. 4, okay, and the bonus stuff to work on with the extra week in between classes. I'm bring something up here real quick. Well, maybe not real quick, but I'm pulling it up right now. And let's see, let's turn this on. There we go. So the 3 notes per string scale shapes, all in the key of C. Now remember, you said that you do know this one, so you can already start working on the next shape. So when to move on to a new scale shape or mode shape, always wait until you have the first stuff memorized. So what you can play, and so you said you already have it, so just double check, you know, make sure. You're able to play that without looking at the picture there, and then start working on the D-Dorian shape. Then be able to play both back to back. Once you can do that, then you start working on the E Phrygian shape and start with the higher octave one first. So this is it in the low position down here, so it's got your open strings being used. But you want to do the higher octave first. So once you can do all 3 of those together, then go into the lower one. So basically just add another shape as you get things memorized, and go at your own pace in terms of learning it and playing the scale shape itself. No speed goal with this, just strict memorization. One mistake a lot of people will make often is they will just run through scale shape after scale shape after scale shape, basically like all 7. And I say 7 because technically, yes, this E Phrygian, even though it's an open position, it is the same shape as the higher position. The notes are spaced apart exactly the same. You just have some open strings down here and at the bottom portion of the fretboard. But anyway, people will just run through all the scale shapes with, you know, just one after the next, one after the next, again and again, and then they wonder why they can't memorize anything, because they're trying to do too much at once. So that's why I work on adding one shape at a time, and yeah, it makes it way easier to retain everything. So if you have any questions about, or you want some tips, whatnot, or further tips on learning all these shapes, let me know. Again, no rush on this. I do not expect you to have all of the shapes memorized by the next class. If you do, awesome. If you only got like 2 or 3, that's awesome as well. So no rush, and if you have any questions about the rhythm material, let me know that too. And I will see you again. Let me double check the date here. The 16th. Yes, see you again on the 16th.